Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers, cheap, McGregor, local and long-distance movers near me. Are you moving from McGregor, Florida to another home in McGregor, Florida and need the best movers to handle your move? For moves within McGregor, Florida, you need the expert services of local professionals. Local movers are the best for local moves within the city or its environs. With more straightforward navigation due to the familiarity with the city and other perks of local movers, we recommend letting local moves help with your relocation. McGregor Local 3 Movers is the best team of local movers for your move. With the most experienced local movers in McGregor, Florida and the best equipment for a quick and efficient move, McGregor Local Movers is head and shoulders ahead of any other team of local movers in McGregor, Florida. Let our local Florida movers help with the seamless transition to your new home. McGregor Long Distance 3 Movers is your best bet for a seamless, stress-free long-distance move. McGregor Long Distance 3 Movers will provide the vehicle for your move, and they had the best movers in their employ, with double wrapping to prevent damage and other safety measures. McGregor Long Distance 3 Movers will ensure your move is hassle-free and on schedule, regardless of challenges. McGregor 3 Movers also has storage to prevent theft and damage to your belongings on moves that take longer than a day. Let McGregor Long Distance 3 Movers help you with your long-distance move, and we guarantee an effortless move. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our McGregor moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.